Modern casement windows. Birmingham AL give homeowners a sleek, practical upgrade that improves curb appeal, ventilation, and everyday comfort. From casement windows in downtown Birmingham AL lofts to suburban renovations, modern styles fit both historic homes and new builds. Homeowners searching for new casement windows. Birmingham often choose slim frames, larger glass areas, and operable casement windows. Birmingham for maximum airflow and natural light. Whether you want residential casement windows, Birmingham for a whole home refresh, or targeted home casement window upgrades. Birmingham, updated designs work beautifully in kitchens, living rooms, bathrooms, and bedrooms across Birmingham AL. Energy-efficient casement windows. Birmingham are a smart solution for lowering utility costs in Alabama's hot summers and changing seasonal weather. High-efficiency casement windows. Birmingham and insulated casement windows. Birmingham help reduce drafts, improve indoor temperature control, and support year-round comfort. Many families choose double-pane casement windows. Birmingham for better thermal performance, outside noise reduction, and improved energy savings. In nearby communities, energy-efficient casement windows. Vestavia Hills AL, insulated casement windows. Chelsea AL, and high-efficiency casement windows. Calera AL are popular choices for homeowners who want long-term value with better home performance and stylish, secure operation. Custom casement windows. Birmingham are ideal for homeowners who want tailored window sizes, materials, finishes, and performance features that match their home's architecture. Custom casement windows. Mountain Brook AL are especially popular for upscale properties that need precise design matching and premium craftsmanship. A trusted casement window company, Birmingham can help with layout planning, hardware selection, frame finishes, grille options, and glass packages. Whether you want elegant wood interiors, crisp modern lines, or specialty shapes, custom solutions make casement window remodeling. Birmingham easier while giving each room a polished, personalized look that fits your Birmingham area home. Casement window installation. Birmingham is one of the best ways to improve function, security, and style without sacrificing energy efficiency. Professional casement window contractors. Birmingham ensure proper sizing, sealing, alignment, and weather resistance for lasting performance. Homeowners also look for casement window installation. Homewood AL when updating classic neighborhoods and improving ventilation in older homes. With expert installation, new casement windows. Birmingham open smoothly, lock tightly, and resist moisture intrusion better than outdated units. For anyone comparing the best casement windows, Birmingham, skilled installation is just as important as the quality of the frame, sash, and glass. Vinyl casement windows. Birmingham remain a top choice for affordability, low maintenance, and dependable efficiency in Birmingham's residential market. Affordable casement windows. Birmingham often include vinyl frames because they resist moisture, won't need frequent painting, and offer excellent value for families planning upgrades on a budget. In surrounding cities, vinyl casement windows. Trussville AL and affordable casement windows. Fairfield AL are sought after by homeowners wanting durability and clean, modern curb appeal. For residential casement windows, Birmingham, vinyl options pair well with double-pane glass, insulated construction, and easy clean designs that make everyday ownership simpler and more cost-effective. Wood casement windows. Birmingham bring warmth, natural beauty, and timeless character to traditional and custom homes throughout the region. Wood casement windows. Gardendale AL are often selected for homes where classic design details and rich interior finishes matter most. At the same time, aluminum casement windows. Birmingham offer strength, slimmer sightlines, and a contemporary look that works well in remodeled properties and newer builds. Aluminum casement windows. Bessemer AL are also favored for durability and streamlined style. A reputable casement window company, Birmingham can help compare wood, vinyl, and aluminum, so homeowners choose the best fit for appearance, maintenance, and long-term performance. Casement window replacement Birmingham is a valuable investment when older windows become drafty, difficult to operate, or visually outdated. Homeowners often need casement window replacement Hoover AL when seals fail, frames wear down, or energy bills begin to rise. Replacing worn units with double-pane casement windows. Alabaster AL, modern casement windows. Irondale AL, or new casement windows. Hueytown AL can dramatically improve comfort and appearance. Whether the project involves one room or a full exterior renovation, Casement window replacement Birmingham gives homes stronger insulation, cleaner sightlines, smoother operation, and better security while boosting resale appeal across the Birmingham metro area.